Hello, my name is Christina and I'm going to be showing you how to create your first document in WebMerge. So let's first go to www.webmerge.me and you're going to log in. If you have not got an account, you can use their free trial by doing try it free and creating an account. Once you've created that account, you should be able to log in. I'm going to use my email and the password I created to get started. And you'll come to this screen here. We're going to click on New Document. And we're going to name this document. So we're just going to name ours Welcome Letter. Letter 1 here since I already have a sample. And we're going to use an existing template. You have the option of creating your own template, doing a fillable PDF, Office document, or a sample template. We're just going to choose the sample template for this one. It's customer letter, create document. It'll take a minute to load. And this is the form here. It's going to be a PDF version. And here you can edit all your company details to match your company. So I want to change the sample to match my company. So Herbal, Magic Bath. Make sure my address and everything is mine. You just overtype everything. And then here it has a hyperlink. If you don't want a hyperlink on there, you can delete it off, or you can right click on it and you can actually edit the link. So if you have a website, you just change it to your website. Here is where your company logo would go. Insert an image. So you can browse the server for an available image, or you can upload one. Here you can see I've already uploaded my logo once. Oops. I'm just going to go here, add files to add more. But I can pick the one I want, and I can just hit choose. And then I can edit the size. So if I have the ratio locked, it'll make it same height and same width all the way around. And that works for mine. Here you have your merged data. So if you have your forms set up, it would pull the date from the form, customer name, company name, address, city, and it automatically fill all that in. And then you would have your letter, and this would have the customer name. You have to use this little squiggly brackets, a $, and then your name to get those forms. You can use the standard text that they have in, or you can create your own. I'm going to create my own here. I have on this document already saved my letter. And I don't need the colored text in. And you just edit your letter as you need to. Here I want to show off, I want them to know that Dirty Socks is the special code, so I want that in actual different font. So I'm just going to make it stand out a little bit. I'd like it to be in bold, so I can bold that. And here I can change the color. Just so it kind of sticks out so they don't miss it. And then I'm going to put my information in down here. I want my name. And if I choose to, I can put another image in. They have more options here under Insert. If you click this drop down, you can add more merge fields, or you can use an if-else statement. So an example would be if the person's name is Richard, to use the name Rich, or if it's Jim, to use the word John. You can use an if or else statement there. You can use a loop, an e-signature tag, or website form. There is an advanced mode for advanced users. There are tutorials, and there are more options by clicking here. That drops down. You can add a header or footer. Whenever you are finished with your letter and you are pleased with what information you have in it, you're going to hit Save and Next. And then you're going to customize your settings. How do you want that letter to appear? I want to keep mine as a PDF, but you can use Word document, Excel, HTML, email, or a picture. The page size can also be changed. There are multiple choices, and you can even do custom size, portrait or landscape. This here is the document name. It'll actually date the name. And then you can choose your time zone. And I'm going to put this in test mode for right now. And you can save your merged data for debugging later, so it saves all the data for 24 hours. And I'm just going to hit Next. And then this gives me a chance to test my document. So I'm going to put today's date in. Customer name, we're just going to use Miss Ruby. And Moon River. This company has purchased Star Soap, so we're just going to use them for the moment. And if you've already used a lot of information, it will be pre-populated. And I'm going to just click Test the Document. Here it's going to give me the option to save the file or open it. I'm going to save the file. And here I can click my download button and just open up the last save. And here you can see the letter. Oops, of course I just accidentally closed that. Here you can see the letter. This is test document. It has my Herbal Magic Bath. It has my logo. It has today's date. It has their address, customer name. It has my letter, and it even has my coupon code. When I know that I have it, I'm satisfied. Oops. Make sure I don't close too many tabs. I'm just going to close that extra window. And then I'm going to tell it to go on to the next step. Here I can choose where do I want that information delivered to. When a person fills out that information, that's letter going, where do I want that to go? I want it to go to my business email. So this is already set up, and I'm just going to hit Save and Next. Now, if I had my data already set up to be captured and have the reports, I could actually integrate this with a third-party service such as Facebook, Google Drive, or another search service. Personally, I would use Facebook because that's what a large portion of my website goes through, and I will be setting that up at a later date and possibly another tutorial. Thank you for joining us, and have a great day.